configured this project, then you can refer the previous videos that I shared. So directly I will start creating a new package here, and package name I will give data driven testing. And here I will create a small Java class, and this class name I will give WordPress login. So I will take one application called WordPress, which actually allow, this is just an application if you want to publish your blog over the internet. So I use WordPress so for my blogging purpose. So this is the same WordPress application I will take as a demo. The I think URL is, yeah. So URL is demo site dot center slash WordPress slash WP. WP means WordPress login dot PHP. So this is this username, password, and click on login button. So right now I have one valid credential, and I will take some invalid credentials as well, and we will see whether it's running with the all credentials or not. So let me quickly create one small script. So I will take public void login to WordPress. This is the test case name. I will surround with this annotation test, and I will import this test that is coming from testng, and here I will write my test. So I will take web driver equal to Firefox driver. Let me import this web driver. Let me import this Firefox driver. Now I will maximize it. So driver dot manage. So if you know this how to write the script, then you can simply um, move this video to the next level, and you can directly start implementing data provider. But let me show you from the starting so you will not find any issue. And I will use driver.get. I will pass this credential, this URL, and as a safer side, I will use timeout as well. So I will say driver.manage.timeout.implicit wait, and I will give implicit wait of 20 seconds. So this is the startup, and this will launch your browser. It will maximize, it will set the implicit wait of 20 seconds, and it will start your WordPress application. So now let's start inspecting this. It's a very stable application, so you'll find username, a password, and login. It's very stable one. So I will take this XPath. If you want to take ID, you can take ID as well. So ID is user hyphen underscore login. So I will say driver dot find element by ID and dot send keys. So here I need to pass the data. So this data I will take from the data provider. So as of now, I'm just simply giving blank. In the same way, I will go back and I will inspect this password field. And here I have this ID called user underscore pass. So again, I will write driver dot find element by ID and dot send keys. I'm just going a little bit fast because we have already covered this. Now let me finally click on the login button. So this XPath I will take from application. So if you want to take ID again, you can take, because ID is very stable here. WP WordPress hyphen submit. I will take XPath. So this is our regular script that we are doing from day 3. So here we need to now create one data provider that actually implement the data driven feature here. So simply create one method that start with public, and return type should be object two-dimensional array. I will discuss on this why I'm creating object two-dimensional array in just couple of minutes. As of now, return type should be object two-dimensional array, and array name I will give pass data. You can give any name. So I have given some meaningful name called pass data. Now we need to create one two-dimensional object array. So this is how we create array in Java. First data type. So data type right now I'm taking object because if I create a string type of array, it will only accept the string type of value, right? If I take integer type of array, it will take only integer type of value. But username and password can be of any type, right? It can be username, sorry, it can be sometime in string, sometime integer, sometime double as well. So better to take object type, so it will store every type of data type. And array name I will specify arr, or let's say data equal to new object o cap, and here I need to specify how many rows we have and how many columns. So I will take 3 row and 2 columns. So right now we simply created one array that is type of object type which contains 3 rows and 2 columns.